We live in a world where everything is big. The bigger, the better. Until I got to move to Tokyo, where space is limited, you have to pay a premium for studio space or workshop. The clever use of space and small design has fascinated me, and this got me thinking, when it comes to the design of RC cars, does size matter? I was able to find 3 cars. We have a turbo racing, the Jeep, and also a crawler. It's a Diatone scale of 1 to 64. I just wanted to compare and see, can you really have fun with them? Are they realistic, or do they just fall under the category of just a normal toy, not a RC car in terms of hobby and suspensions and engine and modification? So I took the 3 out. There's a local park just behind Tokyo University. There's nice rocks that you can be able to crawl, and I normally go there to crawl the bigger cars. So I took the kids and I was like, hey, let's go out there, let's try them out. And also with the chute, the normal chute, I was able to put the 3 cars in my pocket and just walk around and take different pictures in different places. And from the turbo car racing, which is just a normal toy, doesn't have any suspensions. It's a fun toy to use on your desk, or if you want to build just a small racing track to learn how to control and drift. And if you want to go crawling and you don't need to carry many things, you can be able to just take it and put it in your pocket and go crawl just for 5 minutes or 10 minutes while you're having a break or something. So I was able to get this and I really enjoyed it. I drove it around. It really outperformed itself. And you know, in the question of whether size matters, sometimes you come to realize that size doesn't really matter. It's how you use it or how you capitalize on the space. If you have limited space, it doesn't mean that you cannot be able to get an RC car. Or if you want to get into the hobby and you're thinking, I don't have space, I cannot be able to crawl, I cannot be able to afford an RC car. Well, you have to look around. You'll find that there are a lot of RC cars that are cheaper and smaller. And this also gives you the same experience as the bigger RC cars. So go out there, look for an RC car that you actually like, and just have some fun. Well, see you on the next episode.